Okay guys, this is a KRN1000. So now we try to inject 4 to 20 milliamp to the channel number 1, and then we test the relay output, is it can function or not. Okay, first of all you need to know the input terminal, okay, to inject this 4 to 20 milliamp. So I have a calibrator here. So this one I will adjust to 4 milliamp. Okay, 4 milliamp. Okay, if 4 milliamp inject, the display will show 0. Okay, 0%. Okay, now I share the input terminal that we inject 4 to 20 milliamp. Okay, this one is a input terminal. So to inject 4 to 20 milliamp, you need a resistor. So normally when you buy our products, okay, this resistor will include together. Okay, depend on how many channel that you use. So for this model KRN1000-04 4 channel, okay, 4 channel, so you need to parallel the resistor 4 to 20 milliamp, and then this one is a minus terminal, and then this one is a plus terminal for 4 to 20 milliamp. Okay, okay, next I show how to do setting for KRN1000. Okay, this one how to set the input for the KRN1000. First you click here menu, and then go to the go to input channel info. After that go to the input display. Okay, this one is a setting for the input channel 1. Okay, input or display setting. Okay, this one you can later copy this setting to others channel. Okay, now the input type is 4 to 20 milliamp. So you can limit also the low limit input 4 milliamp and high limit input to 20 milliamp. So this one is a decimal point. You can select from 0, 0.0, 0.00, 0.000, and 0.0000. Okay, and then this one is a low limit scale and high limit scale. This one I scale for percentage. Means when you inject of 4 milliamp, the display will show 0.0, and you inject a high limit input 20 milliamp, the display will show 100, and display unit in 100% percentage. Okay, after you set this setting, you need to save. Okay, from this setting also you can set the alarm. Okay, alarm output. Okay, for the alarm output, for channel number 1, you can set alarm 1 and alarm 2. Let's say you set a PV high, PV high output. Let's say the setting here is 70. So when the process value reach 70%, the alarm number 1 will turn on. Okay, and then for PV low, when the input process value is 45% and below, the relay number 2 will turn on. Okay, this one for relay input. After that, okay, you must remember for the alarm setting, you must remember for the alarm setting, got another setting for alarm. Okay, here is a go back, you go to the alarm, sorry, you go to the input option. Oh, wait. Go to the option info. Go to the option info. This one is a alarm output. Okay, click here, alarm output. So you must remember to choose the relay. Okay, this one alarm mark is on. Okay, alarm mark flash. This one we flashing the color when alarm happen, so the red color will flashing for the alarm 1. So for the alarm 2, yellow color will flash when alarm happen. After that, this one is a physical relay. So if your setting is a normal close, you must set to the normal close. Okay, if you're setting in normal close, you must set normal close. If the setting in normal open, you must set in the normal open condition. Okay, if a normal close, always on. Before alarm trigger, the alarm is always on. Okay, let's see, I set here normally close, then I save. Okay, actually, okay, I get the reading from the multimeter is shorted. Okay, if I change to normally open, I change back to normally open and save. Okay, you can see this one is open. Okay, now you know how to set the alarm, and then we try to do a simulation. Okay, now it's a 4 milliamp, so I try to increase the milliamp setting. Okay, now 5 milliamp. The display will increase 6.3%. Okay, 6 milliamp. The display will increase to 12.6%. Okay, I inject. Okay, now above 45, so the alarm will turn off. Okay, alarm low turn off for the alarm 1. Okay, we increase. Okay, now the PV high is turned on because